before you can provide Kenya with over 15% of its electricity, before you can save over 100 million euro on fossil fuel imports, and displace 16 million tons of CO2, you must first journey to the source of the wind.
My name is Albert Onyango, Logistics Manager, Vestas Eastern Africa. We are currently at the port of Mombasa. So far, we have received 8 vessels coming from China. By the end of the project, we will have overseen 12 vessels, delivering 365 turbines. To the best of my knowledge, a project of this size and scale has not been undertaken before in this part of the world. It's a major milestone in the energy sector in this country. Each convoy carries one V52 wind turbine.
We are talking about 2,300 trips from the port to the site, which is located at 1,200 kilometers from the port.
1,200 kilometers of African roads. We're not talking highways. This is a road that goes through villages, towns, and it meets roundabouts. We had to actually construct 210 kilometers of road, which wasn't there.
Vestas has a special design on the towers, which are normally comprising 2 sections. The towers are nested within each other, which is saving 25% of the number of truckloads, which is reducing also the size of the fleet, reducing the CO2 and the environmental impact of the project.
Safety has played a very big role in this project, and for obvious reasons. You're looking at the sheer size of the components, and then you're also talking about getting people to understand how the components have to be moved, the manner in which they have to be moved safely, to ensure that by the time they reach the site, you haven't compromised on their quality, and most importantly, that no one's been injured.
Once the project is completed, we will have an installed capacity of 310 megawatt. That is generated through the 365 individual turbines of 850 kilowatt each.
We have a team of engineers who look in detail at every process that goes into constructing the foundation, the erecting of the turbine, and the commissioning on a daily basis so that we can achieve 1 turbine a day, 365 in a full year of construction.
One of the key factors of the success that Vestas has had on this project has been our attention to detail and our ability to plan right from the start, to investigate the site conditions and to anticipate what will happen on site and what are the risks.
When working on a project this scale, we have to make sure we're on budget, but what's also very important is quality. Quality is what's going to be left behind once you're done, and it needs to be done to the Vestas standard.